Do you experience plumbing and drainage issues in your homes? Are you wondering what maintenance steps you should take to avoid problems? My name is Anuj Jain. I am the director of Ajay Pipes and have over 15 years of experience in plumbing and drainage solutions for homes and buildings. The headaches of home plumbing can easily be avoided if homeowners take certain precautions and perform proper maintenance of their plumbing and drainage system. Here are 10 tips that will help. Number 1. Check for leaks. Even the small leak in your faucets and pipes can lead to unmanageable flooding if not noticed in time. The resulting damage can require substantial home and plumbing repair, which can be quite costly. Therefore, it is important to check all exterior walls, basements, garages, and small spaces for even small leaks. Number 2. Insulate all exposed hot water pipes. All exposed hot water pipes must be insulated to avoid energy wastage. Check from time to time that the insulation is not damaged from anywhere. Repair if any damages are found. Number 3. Always pour water in all drains in all the toilets and bathrooms which remain unused for prolonged periods. This will ensure a proper water seal and prevent bad odor from entering your homes. Number 4. Paint exposed pipes. All the exposed uninsulated piping must be painted. Inspect them periodically. Paint these pipes wherever required. This will help protect the pipes from brittleness and impact damages. Number 5. Do not put hair, sanitary napkins, and other domestic waste in your drains. Do not use the piping network for disposal of garbage. This will lead to choked drains which may become difficult to clean. Number 6. Periodically open and close valves. Non-operated valves become difficult to operate when you need them after a long period. Scale deposition will cause the valves to jam. Operate these valves from time to time to maintain smooth operations. Number 7. Check all pipe clamps. Check for the integrity of all clamps holding your pipes from time to time. Damaged clamps will leave the pipe unsupported, leading to unnecessary load on your joints. Improperly clamped pipes may cause joint damage and leakages. Number 8. Clean all the traps periodically. All bathrooms, toilets and kitchens have a master trap which connects to the main drainage pipeline. These traps stop heavy particles and also prevent bad odor from entering your homes. Often sediments that will settle down will deposit at the bottom of the trap and reduce the flow. Clean all traps periodically to remove all depositions and maintain smooth drainage flow as well as prevent bad odors. Number 9. Check for scaling. If your fittings and fixtures are showing signs of deposition at water contact areas, this means that you have hard water that is causing scaling of your equipment. This shall reduce performance and cause problems in the long run. Take necessary precautions to avoid scaling or consult experts on getting it cleaned. Number 10. In all regions that encounter sub-zero temperatures, draining and insulating all outdoor faucets and pipes is a must. Ensure that before the winter sets in, this must be done. Otherwise, the water in the pipes can freeze, expand, and then crack or burst the pipes. Be as proactive as possible with maintenance of your plumbing. In the event that a problem may occur, immediately seek out a local plumber with great services and have it fixed. I hope you will find this video helpful. For any further information, you can call our customer helpline or send us a message or email on the details provided here. Thank you.